Hello everyone, welcome to another Cloudflare tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Cloudflare Warp on your Windows. Now, it's really easy. Go to your Google and type in Cloudflare Warp and click on this first link. This is the link, by the way, 1111, and then you will land on this page right here. Now here you can download this for your App Store, Google Play, Mac, and Windows and Linux. Now we'll click on Windows right here and we'll be basically downloading the file for Cloudflare Warp, right? So this is basically how it looks like, right? Obviously we'll need to wait just a little bit for this to be downloaded. So I will be back once this is completely downloaded. Okay, once this is downloaded, what we can do is click on it right here. And obviously we will need to install it right here. So click next, click install. And here we will need to wait just a little bit for installation to go through. So let's wait for that. Okay, once that is done, we can click finish. And we can right now go and type in Warp. As you can see, we have Cloudflare Warp right here. So we can click on it. And it's right here actually. As you can see, when the internet was built, computers were mobile. Okay, we can click next, accept, and then here, as you can see, this is basically how it works. It's currently disconnected, so my internet is not private. Then if I wanted to connect, I can just click right here. I can also go here and go to preferences, connection, right? Account, feedback, stuff like that. I can do that along with the app that I just installed. So this is basically the Warp. If I want to basically go out and if I want to exit, just go here and exit, and that's pretty much it, right? It's really simple. If you have any questions or comments regarding this, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next Cloudflare tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.